Which 2-in-1 stand mixer is actually good? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1, Hamilton Beach Red. Let's kick things off with the Hamilton Beach electric stand mixer in striking red, priced at $119.99. What caught my eye was its powerful 300-watt motor and the fact that it comes with a full set of attachments, including a dough hook and whisk. If you want a reliable and stylish mixer that can tackle your baking needs, this is worth a serious look. This mixer is designed to handle thick batters and doughs with ease. The 4-quart stainless steel bowl means you can make large batches of cookies or bread without any hassle. Plus, with 7 speeds and a helpful mixing guide right on top, there's no guesswork involved. The slow first speed is particularly handy when you're adding dry ingredients to avoid a flour explosion. Now here's the thing, some users mention that the mixer can get a bit noisy at higher speeds. While that can be annoying, it's not a deal breaker if you're looking for performance and great results. This is perfect for you if you're a home baker who values both style and functionality. But if you need a quieter mixer for late-night baking, you might want to keep looking. For the price, it definitely delivers solid value. Now, if that noise issue bothered you, the next one on my list might actually be even better for quieter use. Product number 2, Hamilton Beach Black. Next up, we have the Hamilton Beach electric stand mixer in a sleek black finish, priced a bit higher at $139.99. It's similar to the red version but with an elegant twist. If you're after a mixer that looks good on your countertop and performs well, this one is worth considering. The planetary mixing action ensures that all your ingredients are mixed evenly, which is crucial for consistent baking results. Plus, the 7-speed settings give you the flexibility to tackle various recipes. However, some users reported that the bowl can be slightly heavy to handle when filled. But here's the thing. If you're serious about baking, that weight is a sign of a sturdy mixer that won't tip over easily. This is perfect for you if you enjoy baking regularly and want a mixer that combines style with performance. But if you're looking for something lighter for occasional use, you might want to check out other options. For the quality, it's a solid investment. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list brings a unique twist as it's a 2-in-1 mixer. Product number 3, Bella Plum. Now let's talk about the Bella 3.5 QT hand and stand mixer in a fun plum color priced at just $49.99. What really stood out to me is its versatility. It can switch between hand mixer and stand mixer, making it a great space saver. If you want flexibility in your kitchen, this one's worth a look. This mixer has a 200-watt motor and is designed to handle a variety of tasks, from whipping cream to kneading dough. The 3.5-quart stainless steel bowl is perfect for smaller batches, and the built-in viewing window allows you to monitor your mixtures without stopping. Plus, the suction feet keep it stable, so no more worrying about spills while mixing. Now, some users mention that it lacks the power for very thick doughs compared to more expensive models. But honestly, for the price, it gets the job done for most home bakers. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a budget-friendly mixer that can do double duty as a hand mixer. But if you often bake large quantities, you might find this one limiting. It's definitely a steal at this price. If the smaller capacity worries you, the next one is just as versatile but with a bit more power. Product number 4, Bella Oat Milk. Next, we have another Bella 3.5 QT hand and stand mixer, this time in a trendy oat milk color, priced slightly higher at $59.99. This one shares the same dual functionality as the plum version but comes with a fresh look. If you want style and function combined, this mixer could be your answer. Just like the previous model, this mixer is perfect for switching from hand to stand mode, offering you flexibility whether you're making pancakes or dough. The suction feet ensure it stays put, and the built-in viewing window helps you monitor your mixtures without interruption. However, there's a downside. Some users have pointed out that the buttons can feel a bit flimsy. While that's something to consider, it's not a deal-breaker if you're careful with it. This is perfect for you if you love mixing in style and want a handy dual-function mixer. But if you need a heavy-duty mixer for thick doughs, this might not cut it. Still, for the price and versatility, it's a great buy. Now, if you like the features but want a different look, let's check out another Bella option. Product number 5, Bella Surf. Lastly, we have the Bella 3.5 QT hand and stand mixer in a cool surf color, also priced at $59.99. Like the other Bella models, it offers that handy 2-in-1 feature, making it perfect for anyone who loves to bake but might be short on space. If you want a mixer that's both functional and stylish, keep this one in mind. This mixer shares the same impressive specs as its siblings, including a 200-watt motor and dishwasher-safe components for easy cleanup. The built-in viewing window and multi-use cover plate make it easy to monitor and prep your ingredients without the mess. However, some users feel that the mixing power isn't quite enough for very thick mixtures. But honestly, for everyday baking, it performs well enough and makes the process enjoyable. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable, stylish mixer that doesn't take up too much space. But if you're a heavy-duty baker, you might need to look for something more powerful. For what you get, it's definitely worth considering. So to wrap it up, the Hamilton Beach mixers offer powerful options with stylish designs, while the Bella models give you versatility at a lower price point. Each has its pros and cons, so consider your baking needs. No matter which you choose, you'll definitely find something that fits your kitchen perfectly.